Hi, I'm Tammy. I just had a hip replacement with Dr. Ryan Davis. I feel amazing. It's the best thing I've done. It got worse and worse. I couldn't sleep at night. I couldn't walk. And then the last 6 weeks of the season, I fly for an airline, and we fly the NBA, and I fly dedicated for our football team. The coach asked me why I was limping, and I knew it was way worse than I thought it was. I met Dr. Davis when I came in for my second opinion. He was lovely. He explained how long I would be out, or best case and worst case scenario. His bedside manner was really wonderful. Everything is without pain where I had it before. And the recovery was so fast. In 6 weeks, I have no pain at work. So it just all the way around has been great.